Alright, after you've animated and lit your scene how you want it, you might want to output to a movie. There's a couple of things you need to do. If you want to go up to the clapboard with the two dots beside it to open up your render settings. Under the Common tab, you're going to want to set a file name by file name prefix. I'm going to just type in cat in a box as my file name, and underneath that I'm going to set that to name number.extension, which is going to render out image files. It's going to be cat in a box, then the frame number, then dot the extension, which I've set to targa right here. And then below that I'm going to set my start frame as 1 and my end frame as 90. And if you come down, you can set your image size and a couple of other things. Under Maya software, don't forget to set your quality up, set it to production quality. And after you've done that, you can get out of there and go to the tab over here that we've been to before and go down to rendering. And then you're going to want to go up to render and select batch render, and that's going to output your files into your Targa files into your images folder. And after rendering is done, you can either go in with Maya's F-check, or you can go in with the program like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut and put the Targa files together into a movie. So we've kind of briefly touched today on many different things you can do with Maya, and it's a very complicated program, but I hope you've learned a lot.